why one-level homes are so popular again? Have you noticed how hard it is to find a true one-level home? There's actually a reason for that. Back in the 50s and 60s, ranch homes were everywhere, but as land prices increased, builders started building more two-story homes to fit larger houses onto smaller lots. Now buyer priorities are shifting again. Many people today want less stairs, easier layouts, simpler maintenance, and homes that feel more comfortable to live in every day. That's why ranch homes and one-level living have become so popular again. People are focusing less on more house and more on homes that support the lifestyle they want to live. And honestly, comfort is becoming the new luxury. I'm Lori Walker, and when it's time to find the home that fits your lifestyle, I'm here to help.